Hello and welcome to Goma at Home. Today we're preparing hot chocolate. Simple lang, but our hot chocolate will be coming from our Sikwate. This really being sold here in stores in Ormoc City. So, si Lucy also, no, she buys her cacao from different co-ops, from different traders, and then she packages it, and then she makes it into like this. She calls it Sikwate. So ito yung laman niya. Of mga tablea. And this what we are preparing today. This is what we are cooking. And the ingredients that we need are milk, brown sugar, vanilla, some cream, cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, just to enrich the flavor of our hot chocolate. And then there are ways of doing hot chocolate. Yung iba gusto nila medyo runny ng konti, so they put more milk. Ako naman, I like mine really thick, so I put cream, I put little milk, and then I melt the cacao into it. So we'll start now. We'll put in milk, 3 cups. The key here is not to boil your milk and not to boil your cacao. So while we're heating this up, we put in our Sikwate. So I'm putting in 10. It's like 2 tablea per cup of hot chocolate. So that's my ratio. Okay, we'll put it here. And then, with little heat, magme-melt na to. So, do not boil it. Otherwise, mawawala yung gloss na. It'll become muddy. No? So, just put it in medium to low heat. Chocolate and cacao beans really originated in the Amazon basin. Sa mga Aztecs, sa mga Mayans pa to. Some 3,000, 4,000 years ago. And then, the Spanish conquistadors discovered this, no? So when they were trying to invade other countries, na-discover din nila yung cacao. And nung na-discover nila to, they were using it for barter trade, they were using it as currency. So ganun klaseng commodity yung cacao beans. And then I was reading one article, yung palang in Nahuatl, yung hot chocolate, they say it as chocolate. Chocolate to them is hot water. And then, chocolate to them is kakahuati. So, chocolate, kakahuati is hot chocolate. Yun pala yun. Sa ato dire, sa English, chocolate, sa ato dire sa Bisaya, Sikwate. Okay. So with a little heat, little by little magme-melt na yun natin, yung Sikwate natin, yung tablea nato. After mga 10 minutes, nag-breakdown na yung cacao nato, no? So we can start putting our flavors. We can put in a tablespoon of vanilla extract, and then let's put in some nutmeg, 1/4 of teaspoon, and then for stronger flavor, lagyan natin siya ng cloves, clavo de comer. Yan. This will bring a different flavor to your chocolate drink. And then a little cinnamon, about a teaspoon of cinnamon. In fact, it's your choice if you want to make your chocolate drink stronger. You can even put a dash of cayenne pepper para may konting bite. Yung mga simple and very basic na ingredients, you can upgrade the taste, no? By just adding simple spices, simple flavors. So ito, lagyan ng konting cayenne. There. Cayenne pepper. Once mag-mix in na siya, we will put in our sugar. Now, sugar, ang sweetness ng chocolate drink depends on you. Some people want it really sweet. Some people just want it just enough to taste. So with this one, I'll put in about 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. So once it's all mixed in, and our sugar is melted, let's try the chocolate. See? Tama, hindi siya nagbo-boil. Mainit lang siya. Dapat ganun lang. Let's cook it some more. And then the nice thing about this, so naluto mo na siya ngayon. Some people will, most of us, pag nagawa na yung hot chocolate, we put it directly sa cup, no? This is nice the following day. No, magre-rest muna siya, magmamature siya, and then magse-settle siya. The following day, when you heat it up, mas malapot na yung chocolate drink mo. So, nag-upgrade kagad yung, nag-upgrade kagad yung taste ng hot chocolate from regular Sikwate na bland lang na regular lang ng cocoa. But by putting vanilla, by putting a little cayenne pepper, nutmeg, cloves, nag-iba yung status niya. Naging social siya na chocolate drink. So give this a little more, about 5 minutes more, and then we'll call Lucy to try her Sikwate. Ito talaga yung product na hindi niya alam na niluto ko to today. Pero papatikim natin sa kanya. And then, you know what we'll do? We will serve this with ensaymada. So we will serve this ensaymada. Ang gagawin ko dito, we'll put sugar on top and then we'll burn it a little just to give it more flavor. Pag malapit na siyang, pag ready na siya to serve, may kita mo, nagtithicken up talaga yung, drink. Very good. It's creamy. It's thick. Sa Bisaya pa, they call it espeso. Espeso kayo, malapot. It's very thick. So at this point, I can already put my cream. We'll put in a cup of cream. Ooh. Tapos yung sobra na yan, kainin mo na. Wow, look at this. So it's silkier. See how shiny it is, how beautiful it is. And then we can serve this already sa cup, no? Just continue heating it up and not boiling it. Let's see how creamy it is now. Really good. You know, I can imagine hot chocolate and then yung ensaymada. Kuha ka lang konting ensaymada na gano'n, i-dip mo yung ensaymada sa hot chocolate, kakainin mo siya, kalami, oy! Na? Sarap. Here we go. Honey, you're beautiful. Okay, so this is Sikwate. I'm cooking it already. You want to try it? It's very thick. It's not so sweet. It's hot lang, right? It's hot. Sarap. We'll put sugar on top of the ensaymada. Huh? Nakagulat ba? Okay, so here, gulay na natin sa ayan. We'll let the sugar caramelize on top. That's our ensaymada. Now we'll put our hot chocolate in our truest cups. Hindi mo alam, nilabas ko to. Huh? Truest yan. Ha?
Okay na, lahat na ilalagay dyan, nagiging masarap.
Of course. Of course. Let's see how thick it is.
You know, I know a lot of people who like using our Sikwate to make brownies.
Ah, really?
Yeah, and cookies. Because though it's so pure that it really gives the
Chocolate flavor.
yeah.
I'm not filling it up to the brim.
Don't.
Paano kasi it's really thick?
Okay na yan.
A little more. Alam mo naman yung hot chocolate cup sa'yo, parang pag-ibig din yan, no? Kailangan...
Ay, punuin, no?
Ay, ka na. For today, yan na muna.
Tinimbang to, ngunit kulang.
Here it is, our hot chocolate and ensaymada for today. Try it, Annie. I'll try the... Sige, I'll try the chocolate. Sarap.
Okay, tell me.
Yeah. Di ba? Hindi. Wow. Yeah. Sarap, no? Sarap na brulee siya, no?
It's good with the pagod-pagod ba?
This is what I want, no?
Very good.
Huh?
We should serve this for merienda one day.
Yep. Good. Like it?
Yeah. Very good.
Good.
Lasang Christmas.
Oo nga, no? Lapit na yung Christmas, no? The smell of it, it's very Christmassy, no? The cinnamon, the cloves,
Yeah.
the sugar. Sarap. Well, again, thank you for joining me here in Goma at Home. Huh? This is Lucy Torres Gomez and Richard Gomez. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment, no? And you can click on the notification bell. Okay, so before we go, I'd like to greet Jonathan Sakal, no? Thank you so much for watching me here in Goma at Home regularly. And to all the regular viewers, thank you so much. Okay? Hot chocolate for you on a cold weather like this. Yummy.
Bye. Lami kaayo.